But do you think we are overestimating or underestimating how fast Ethereum can realistically upgrade its cryptography?
I don't know. I honestly don't know. I think the biggest risk right now is if the timeline, if the expected time, the thing that changed in the last few months is that the expected timeline changed. There has always been an expected timeline for quantum, and it was in decades, and there was a huge variance. But the expected timeline changed to several years right now. There's still a lot of variance. It could still be decades. It could still be, but it could also be like 1 or 2 years. It could also be like half a year. I don't know. Unlikely, but possible, plausible. So if that happens, like if the expected timeline shrinks again, as has happened in the last few months, that is the concern. And that I don't think Ethereum or anyone, not even banks, are equipped to handle. And maybe with AI accelerating, I mean, just yesterday, and this is mind-blowing, people have been talking about AI solving like open mathematical problems. But what people don't know is that it mostly solved, which is still amazing, but it mostly solved niche problems until yesterday. Yesterday, OpenAI announced that they now solve an actual, fairly popular, difficult math problem that a lot of mathematicians have tried to solve for 80 years. And AI just one-shotted it, basically. 80 years of mathematicians were not able to solve it. AI just solved it. And this is not some random problem that no one cared about that was collecting dust in in the corners of the internet. And so if it can do that, maybe it can also help accelerate breaking non-quantum safe cryptography faster. Maybe the timeline shrinks again, and maybe in a year, we're all like panicking and it's like a big catastrophe. So that is the real risk. If that happens, the probability conditioned on that event happening is the one that scares me the most.